Hi guys, I'm Dylan here with a Belkin surge protector from Holo Electronics. 4 sockets, 2 meter, 6.5 feet cord, support up to 558 joules, 6500 amps, 13 amps at 3250 watts. This is the UK plug. Single off and on switch. Connected equipment warranty coverage up to 500 Singapore dollars or 2,000 ringgit. Limited lifetime warranty. And I got this through Lazada for about 74 ringgit 90, including 5 ringgit shipping. So at the back of this cardboard there's absolutely nothing, but let's look at the cardboard itself. So a power surge is a momentary boost in voltage, electrical pressure above the normal range. 3 common causes of faulty surges: faulty wiring and severe effects of harsh weather, and switch on and off large home appliances. Then it says here, connect and protect. So without protection, electronics must directly absorb the impact of small everyday power surges. Over time, this will erode sensitive components and shorten the life of your electronics. And with protection, Belkin surge protectors normalize the voltage that enters your electronic by diverting excess voltage through an earthing wire. Then inside the surge protector, there is a power surge. So when power surge enters the surge protector through a connected socket, that's at A. Then at B, metal oxide varistors divert excess power away from your electronics. Then at C, there, earthing wire accepts the excess voltage and directs it to the ground. And at D, which is over there, normal range power voltage passes through the protector socket to power your electronic items. And then down here we got a distribution sticker. Okay, then we have, what do we have here? Why choose a Belkin surge protector? Connected equipment warranty. We will repair or replace any equipment damage. What does it say underneath this? Damaged by a surge spike or lightning strike while properly connected to our surge protector up to a maximum value stated on the front of the package. See complete warranty details inside for full details, limitations and exclusions. Limited lifetime warranty. Belkin designs and engineers its product to be free of defects in assembly, material or workmanship. We will replace free of charge any surge protector resulting in malfunction, manufacturer defect. Then down here we got a few different details. Okay, so this inside the packaging. Let me just start by saying that this plug is taller than the rest of the packaging, so it doesn't really sit flush this way. So inside here, I'm surprised to find a modem cable. This is super outdated. I mean, like, Malaysia is slowly but surely changing to fiber, and this is my biggest gripe with Belkin surge protector. Why the hell do they include this legacy, obsolete piece of technology with their surge protectors? I mean, I'm complaining that the surge protector is quite expensive, but I think it's reasonable for a surge protector. But to include this is like, I know it's only going to be like 50 cents, but still, 50 cents that could be saved. What does it say here? This is it's literally just instructions on how to properly connect your phone, fax, and modem with this cable. Okay, then we have this, which is got the appropriate Malaysian swim sticker. Then we can see a few different things there, probably manufacturing dates. We get wall mount. Then we have details here. So this is the F9E410sa2M. 2M indicating 2 meter length wire, non-rewirable portable socket outlet. So let's go ahead and remove this from its packaging. Pretty good plastic packaging. Ooh, that's quite heavy and that's thick compared to normal power strips. That's very thick. The wire is actually the reason why it's S F, but this is pretty heavy compared to normal one. There's a bit of rattling, but that's caused by the switch feeling thing. Now, one of the complaints on Lazada was the socket is too near. Yeah, that's slightly too near. But this really, oh, there we go. I did not know this had this stupid input and output. I thought only the higher end series had the stupid input and output, but apparently this is the input and output. Why on earth is that the input and output? I have no clue. Okay, then we have paperwork here. Looks like a simple A4 sheet of paper. Oh my god. They used 2 pieces of cardboard. And it just says here, wow, it's actually 2 pieces of cardboard. I'm actually surprised by the fact that you're using 2 pieces of cardboard. I guess it's for like the same packaging but different models. Okay, let's take a look at the side, because we didn't take a look at the side. So it says protector for home electronics. And then over here on the side, it says technical specification. Okay. We won't be using this abomination. Let's take a look at this basic installation instructions for Belkin Surge Protector. What does it say here? Let's read it. Your Belkin Surge Protector should only be plugged into an earth socket. All connected equipment should be plugged directly into your Belkin Surge Protector using an extension cable. Conjunction with a Belkin Surge Protector will avoid all Belkin cooperation warranties. For models with, oh my god, do they seriously have instructions about phone fax? Don't even use fax modem network connection. Like, do this seriously? I mean, if this was RJ45, I would appreciate it as like a Ethernet coupler, but no, it is something that I'm never ever gonna use. I mean, apparently it's gonna help with your phone signal, but seriously, who even uses a house phone anymore? I mean, if you argue that this is like a ringgit edition, they must have just included. It's nice to have and it will benefit those 1% who think, but it just looks out of place. You know, nice elegant design. Oh, they got 2 legacy connectors. Okay, apparently this is a 1.8 meter length cable. Interesting. Apparently there is a spoiler cable system. Simply lift up the bar and for easy management. Is there? I don't think so. I don't think this model has it. This model looks fixed. I'm not gonna bore you with that installation of phone connection, phone connection. Really crazy. And at the back here we got the Belkin connected equipment warranty details. Lots of different models that they actually produced. Okay. Pause the video if you want to read this boring, lengthy paperwork. Okay, so then there are twist ties. High quality twist ties, I must say, which are extremely long for some reason. Wrapping the 2-meter cord, and as well as this. Let's just remove this cardboard thing. Gold screws with gold pins, nicely detailed, nothing in the back. A wiring diagram. Not like we'll be able to rewire this. I mean, why would we need to rewire this? This is Belkin, it's high quality, ain't it? Very long twist ties. That's really long. And then we have another twist tie here. Another really long twist ties. I mean, what is wrong with the packaging? 2 pieces of cardboard and long twist ties. Okay. This thing looks very durable. 13-amp fuse. Very thick cable, thicker than the... And what does it say on the wire itself? And this label says that so green or yellow, blue and then brown respective to earth, neutral and live. And then over here, the wire itself, which is really thick actually, it just says here whatever this is. Now that I've got everything set up, as you can see, the plugs are very close to each other, so it does make removal slightly difficult. There's a singular on and off switch, which my biggest complaint is I think it moves quite a lot.